Oh, well imagine, as I'm pacing the pews in a church corridor, and I can't help but to hear, no I can't help but to hear an exchanging of words. What a beautiful wedding, says the bridesmaid to the waiter. Guess what a shame, the poor groom's bride is a What's kicking y'all? Kwikpanik here, and I'm back in gear, don't you have no fear. Today's episode is Funko flavored. Why am I singing Panic at the Disco? That's because I got a really cool pop to share with you guys today, but more importantly, I got this massive mystery box from Funko that has a chance for a really, really rare pop, metallic Freddy as Genie, or Freddy as Frankenstein. Those pops are super sought after, and I had to take a chance. Actually, was able to get another one. Had my wife order one or two. So there will be another video, because I have a pretty good number of pops to share with you guys, as well as one of these. And I just wanted to break it up into 2 videos. So I hope you enjoy that. We'll be opening that in a little bit. But first I want to First off, I want to show off this pop. This is Brendon Urie, who is the lead singer of Panic at the Disco. This band got really big when I was in high school. And that song that I just sang, I Write Sins Not Tragedies, was like the most popular song in school, Easy Mode. And when they came out with a pop that was exclusive to Hot Topic, and it was Brendon Urie, I lost my mind. Because this guy, he's got like the most amazing vocals in modern music right now. Modern music has a lot of duds. And I know there are a lot of people who disagree with me about that, but it's really hard to find somebody who has really nice vocal prowess, and Brendon Urie, oh my gosh, this guy is amazing. So I wanted to get this pop. I'm adding it to my Pop Rocks collection, so that'll go right next to Angus Young. So Brendon Urie, and they paid a lot of attention to detail. You can see that's not a paint flaw there in his eyebrow. It's actually like a missing part of his eyebrow, and they captured that. You can even see they got his ring on. He's got a nice glittery jacket. It's really cool pop. Next off, don't even pretend you are a comic book fan unless you know Garfield. So a couple videos ago, I got the exclusive Garfield, and what is Garfield without his accomplice, Odie? Odie's amazing. He's always happy, and in the comics, it's like Garfield tries to do something, and Odie, not out of spite, like Odie never has any malintent, but he just screws up plans for Garfield. And this pop design is incredibly clean. This, like Felix the Cat, Woody the Woodpecker, all those old cartoons and comic book characters come out in pop form amazingly. So Funko, keep making pops like this. This is what I'm talking about. I like this kind of release. So we got Odie there. Put him off to the side. And this next one I just picked up. I was walking through Hot Topic, and I was going to spend my hot cash. So I got that Brendon Urie. Gumi, my wife, got the Sabrina the Teenage Witch from the animated series. That was a San Diego Comic-Con exclusive. And then this was the third pop. There's a new bunch of Nightmare Before Christmas pops that came out, and I love all the background characters in Nightmare Before Christmas. It's like easily, one of my top 5 movies. I just drank a bunch of water. And all the background characters are getting printed now in pop form, so it's really cool. You can see the other ones here. So I still need to get Undersea Gal and Mummy Boy. I have enough Jack, so I'm not going to get Vampire Jack. But her mold looks really nice and clean. She's got her massive nose. It just looks exactly like it came out of the movie. So this made me super happy to pick up. The next thing I have to share with you is a Funko Shop item. So got the box. Every time I see this box when I get home, I'm super excited because the Funko Shop has been on fire with their releases lately. And grab my knife real quick. And I just hope they keep it up. I really do. I don't remember which one this is because they've had so many hits. Oh, you know what? I think I know what this one is. If it is, I've been waiting to open this one for like a week and a half. So, let's see if I'm correct. Oh, yeah. Okay, so a lot of people saw this get released, and they're like, why? Why would you do that? I love how Funko packs now. Listen, they have their own brand, and before Funko became really popular, they had their own line of characters. So characters like Gil and Sam and all those guys, the Fantastic Plastic, Spastic Plastic, whatever you want to call them. Those were like Funko brand characters. So I was super happy when they made the Assassin Monkey, but they made a bloody variant. And if you're an OG pop collector, you know that bloody variants are like wildly popular. So I was surprised this didn't sell better. But this is like one of my favorite Fantastic Plastic characters. And when they made a bloody variant, it looks so good. Oh, man, it came in great condition. Look at him. Look at him. Mission accomplished, Monkey Assassin. So I'm keeping both of them. I like the Monkey Assassin way too much. So that is very good job. Very good job, Funko. So here's what we've all been waiting for. So I've seen a lot of garbage. I'm really hoping that we got lucky. Wish me luck, guys. So I don't know. I guess they're in sideways. I'm going to try to open this in a way where we can reveal them one by one. So I'm going to open it from the bottom and hope that doesn't spoil anything. I don't want to see the top of the boxes is the thing. Because if I don't see a Freddy, I'll be like, well, that was a bust. Okay. Get this out of here. Okay. So, that was the outside container. Here is the actual box. Show that here on the camera. This is what it looked like when you got this. So, they announced a bundle, and it was going to be a set of 6 pops. There would be 5 Funko Shop exclusives that haven't sold really well. They didn't sell it like that, but we all know that's what it is, because I've seen what you can pull out of these. And 1 San Diego Comic-Con exclusive. That San Diego Comic-Con exclusive has the potential to be a Freddy as Genie or as Frankenstein, with the Genie having a possibility at being metallic. And those are extremely limited, and I'm praying, because I love the Genie, and it's very rare that I find a Freddy Funko that I want. So let's open this upside down. This might not make it better. I really want this to be a surprise. But it'd be a real shame if I got the... Okay, can I see? I know sometimes you can see the character on the bottom. Okay, so we'll just flash that. They're all upside down. We're going to pull them out one by one, and we'll just see what we got here. Okay, this is really difficult to do with the camera right here. Okay, I'll just open this one. This is not going well. I'm an adult, okay? Hold on. I have problem-solving skills. Let's get the first one out. And then I should be able to pull the rest out. Okay, so not looking at it, pull it under. All right, the first one is Flock Rafiki. I still have not seen the live action. What, you're not even gonna be Mint? I haven't even seen the live action Lion King yet, so maybe I'll like this. Heavy doubt, though. Next pop. Under the camera. Okay, we got Ripley holding Jonesy. I don't have a Ripley pop, and I love the Alien series, so this might just stay in my collection, honestly. I did want to pick up a Ripley, but I didn't. At the time this came up on the shop, I was like, that's not worth the shipping and everything. So we did get Ripley holding the cat. Next up, I'm hoping I pull the San Diego Comic-Con exclusive last, but I didn't. So we got Shaka Raka. And this is one of the ones you could get out of the Fun Days. It's actually a really cool looking pop. It's limited to 1,600 pieces, so that's not a bad pull at all. I honestly can't be upset. I'll probably keep this. The box on this is like raised, I guess. It's detailed, textured, but it looks really cool. I actually wanted to pick up one of these, but the price kind of kept me from doing it. So, I mean, I'm not terribly upset about that. I'll keep this. Let's just keep going in through the pops, see what else I got. Because there are a couple that I was looking at. I was like, okay, I wouldn't mind getting that. We got Findu Chomp, orange one. He's normally gray. I picked up the gray one back in the day, and I got rid of it when I was trying to trim down my collection. I probably will do the same thing with him. I'm gonna separate this out. So Ridley's going back over here. To my right, I have everything I want to keep. Next we got, Fooper. Okay, so Fantastic Beasts and Where to Find Them I actually really enjoyed. So I collect those. And I never got Fooper because I couldn't find it in stores. And when this went up online, I was like, I don't want to pay that much for a pop. But now I'm forced to get it and add it to my collection. So that's not bad. Now we got one more pop. It can't be the Genie. It is... Oh, sweet! Okay, so I actually got the 2 Fantastic Beast pops I wanted. This is probably, like, best case scenario what I could have grabbed. Maybe Agent J... and you can see his tail pops through in the back a little bit, so you can see that little dent. But I'm actually adding 4 of these to my collection. That's really not bad. So appreciate everybody sticking by and watching the video. Let me know what you pulled out of the mystery box if you got one. And subscribe to my channel if you've not already. I bring Funko content all the time, as well as Pokemon. And there's going to be some video game content coming in the near future. Yeah, follow me on Twitch. I'm streaming on that Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, and I'm uploading here on Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. So there's Kwikpanik every day of the week. I appreciate all your support. That is all I've got for today. Hope you guys have an awesome day. Later.